This channel is for educational purposes only. All videos, presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk. If you would like to learn and follow our videos, please subscribe.
Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Naija TradeWise. Hope you're all having a great weekend. Just a few words about our partner broker, BKFX. Now, Naija TradeWise and BKFX are in a partnership. Naija TradeWise handles all the marketing for BKFX. Now, a little about BKFX. BKFX is registered and regulated with the FSCA, that is the South African regulatory body for trading. Now, working with when you work with BKFX, what do you get? You get a regulated and a trusted broker. Plus, you're entitled to a 100% deposit bonus, of which you can also trade. Apart from that, your funds are secured because we have an insurance with ICO. You also have the ability for easy funding with your Naira, so you don't have to go to the black market or anywhere to look for dollars. And last but not the least, you have access to our money management once you log into the dashboard. Now, with that out of the way, we're going to go into our market selection for today. Now, what do we have for our market selection? We have 8 financial instruments in all, 2 cryptos and 6 forex pairs. Now, our first that we'll be talking about and analyzing is the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Now, from what we can see here with this pair, it is bearish. It's heading down. Of course, the bears forced it down. It's making a pullback, but we are looking at this as just a test of a bounce back. What we believe will happen is that it's already going to go back. As you can see that this candle went bullish, tried to go up, but it's coming down. So what we'll be doing is we'll be taking our entry position at around let's say 94.00. That will be a good entry point for us on this pair, and we will be selling this pair. We believe that to take we should be taking profit at somewhere around say let's say here 93.289. we can take profit there. That's for that. With the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, we will not be spending much time on that pair. Our next pair is the Great British Pound, New Zealand dollar. Now here we can see that the bulls are in total control of this. Pushed up, bears came and forced it down. We believe that coming into the new week, the bulls will take back the market because we see, of course, they were not able to break this giant candle, this bullish candle, but it stopped here. So we will be looking for an entry point at around, say, just to be on the safe side, I would say 94.500. We enter 94.500, and we should take profit at about 98.27. That will be our entry point for. Sorry, that will be our exit point. Entry point is 94.5. We enter that, and we exit at 1.98.27. I think that's perfect for this. Remember, this is not a short-term trade. It will take about 3 to 4 days before you can take all of this profit. But if you want to take just collect some cash on the side, you can actually take your profit at any time you feel. Remember just to watch your risk to reward ratio when you are taking this trade. Our next pair is the British Pound, Swiss Franc. Now, with this, we will be bullish because we can see that the bulls came in control here, came here. The bears tried to force it down, but the bulls are back in control, as we can see here. Looking at this, I believe that we should enter this pair at around, let's say, 1.27, 160. We'll be entering this trade at about that. And then we can take profit at 1.28 or let's look at it even more further. We can go, I would say 1.29 to take profit on this trade. Remember, guys, this is not a short-term trade. It's a long one. Next pair is the Great British Pound, Australian dollar. We can actually see that the British pound everywhere is getting stronger. So bulls pushed it here, bears came, forced it down. So we just need to find the point of weakness of the bears. So I'm looking at it that we should take the entry here at 1.8 400, 1.81 400. That's a good entry point. I will then take profit at around, let's not be too, how about 1.84? 1.84 seems very good here, somewhere around that. This is 1.84, yeah, so around here will be good for us to take our profits. Our next pair is the Canadian dollar Swiss franc. Now, as you can see also, Canadian dollar is quite bullish. Oil also is, like we discussed last time, oil has been bullish. Of course, we might see a reverse on oil, but the Canadian dollar has been bullish all the way against so many pairs. Now here, I would say we should be buying at around top of this candle. I would say that. So let's look at 0.74, apologies, 0.500 or 560. That's where we enter. We should take profit at around, I'll say 0.76200. I would say for that. Now, our next pair is another Australian dollar. Of course, we're looking at the monthly chart here. Wow. Well, you guys can imagine a monthly chart. You know how long that will take? Quite some time, but let's not despair. So we'll take this entry at around, let's look at this pair. Let's look at this daily. I would say we should go in at about 1.077 and then take profit at around 1.12950. That's where I'll be taking profit for this. Remember, this trade might take 2 to 3 months, so you can be taking up profits as it goes. That's all for the currency pairs. We will be moving to our cryptos, our crypto lovers. So first one will be the IOTA USD. That's the first pair we'll be taking. Looking at this pair, I would say this is looking bullish. So I'll be taking the entry from around, let's say 2.005. That's here. And I think I'll take profit at about, let's look further. I would say about 2.6 or 2.7. I'll take profit. Of course, it might take 3 to 4 weeks for you to achieve this, but it is actually attainable. Remember, these trades are not short-term trades. Just let's bear that in mind. That's for that. And the next, our last final pair we're analyzing is the Ethereum. A lot of people have been buying this, and this has been like on fire. Look, it's been firing up. Looking at this pair, I would say we should go in around, let's say 1.399 for where it is at the moment, and probably take profit around 4,005 to 5,000. That's what I would say for this pair. These trades, like I mentioned, all these 8 we've done, these are not short-term trades. This one's taking minimum of 3 to 4 days to materialize. So if you're looking for the short-term trades, you need to follow us on either Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn. We give daily signals for the pairs that you must for the people who day trade. Now, thank you very much for listening. And if you guys have any questions or suggestions, we are open to take on them. You can just visit our website, www.NaijaTradeWise. Leave a comment about what you want us to do or how you want us to improve our market selection. And we are all wishing you here at Naija TradeWise a great week ahead. Thank you. My name is Victor. Have a great weekend. Bye.